Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have this unusual unbox for you guys. This is the 8-piece fondant cake decorating or sugar craft paste flower modeling tool set kit. It is for your DIY if you're like a sculpture that is doing some kind of baking. This will be a great tool. As you can see, this is came from China. It is wrapped in a black plastic bag. Let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So it's wrapped around with this like a thin foam. As you can see, it comes with 8 pieces of these tools, and each piece or each stick, they come with different sculpture tools or molding tools. I only paid this $1.49, but it came from China, so it's gonna take a while to get here. I believe almost a month, because this one just a regular standard mail. If you have an e-packet, if you receive e-packet from China, normally it come faster. So I'm just gonna show you the molding tools right here individually, so you see what you could do with this kind of tools. Okay, so if you got a professional baker out there, this would be a great tool for you guys to do your project with. So this is pretty pointy. It's almost like a star. So the reason I purchased this, I might have doing like a bakery project. Who knows? We'll see in the future. All right. So this is another tool that you can sculpt whatever character or anything that you want to sculpt with. So this is just my really quick unboxing for you guys to check this out. Hopefully you give a thumbs up and like the video, and then subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet. And you could also have your friends or family to check this out if they are looking to purchase any of this tool set. All of this only cost me $1.49. And that's including free shipping, no tax, and that's it. All right. Hopefully this will give you guys good information out there. If you guys are thrifty out there and want to save money. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and then see you guys on the next video. Peace.